3.5 minutes of random geography fact. There is a 2,000 square kilometre or 700 square mile piece of land between Egypt and Sudan claimed by neither country. The land is called Bertawil and it is the largest unclaimed piece of land outside of Antarctica. As of June 15, 2022, Canada and Denmark officially share a land border, meaning Canada now borders two countries. The border is located on a tiny Arctic island known as Hans Island, located between northern Canada and the Danish realm of Greenland. Despite Northern Ireland's name, the northernmost point on the island of Ireland is actually located in County Donegal in the Republic of Ireland. If you count a country's EEZ as part of its overall area, then France would be the 5th largest nation in the world, larger than countries like India and Kazakhstan. The reason for this is because France owns 13 overseas territories scattered throughout the globe, all but one of which are islands, giving it a very large EEZ. Its EEZ of 11 million square kilometres or 4.5 million square miles is larger than the land area of Canada. Also, thanks to these overseas territories, France's longest border is not actually located in Europe, it's located in South America. This is because of its overseas territory of French Guiana, which shares a 730 km or 450 mile long border with Brazil. Even though Russia is about 115 times the size of Bangladesh, Bangladesh still manages to have a population about 20 million people bigger than that of Russia. Despite the United States often being stereotyped as a nation where a large portion of the population is obese, the United States is actually not on the list of the 10 most obese countries. The 10 most obese countries and territories are Micronesia, Kiribati, Samoa, Tonga, Niue, Tuvalu, the Marshall Islands, Palau, the Cook Islands, and Nauru. If California were a country, its GDP of $3.5 trillion would make it the 5th largest economy in the world. Larger than the economies of countries with much larger populations than it, like the UK, France and even India. Even though Australia and Canada have been self-governing for well over a century by now, they technically didn't gain full independence from Britain until 1982 and 1987 respectively, when the UK gave up its ability to amend their constitutions. While Russia and the United States may seem worlds apart, the easternmost island of Russia, Big Diomede, is only 3.4 kilometers or 2.4 miles away from Little Diomede, an island part of the American state of Alaska. Due to the island's northern latitude, the water between them freezes over during winter, making it possible to walk between Russia and the United States in only 20 minutes. Vatican City is the smallest nation in the world with a land area of less than half a square kilometre. The nation is located entirely within the city of Rome and is the home of the Pope. It is one of two small nations located entirely within the borders of Italy, the other being San Marino. Even though the UK and USA are on opposite sides of the Atlantic Ocean, if you're a strong swimmer, it's actually possible to swim between British and American territory. This is because of the Virgin Islands, a small group of Caribbean islands shared between Britain and America. At their closest point, the British Virgin Islands and American Virgin Islands are only about a kilometre or 0.6 miles apart. The island of Cyprus holds the record for being the island with the most political jurisdictions. Home to 4 separate jurisdictions. The island is home to the internationally recognised Republic of Cyprus in the south, the largely unrecognised Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus in the north, a UN buffer zone separating the two, and 2 British overseas territories along its southern coastline. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe as I will be uploading more videos like this very soon.